There exists something so strange, so extreme, that it bends the very fabric of reality. A region where space falls faster than light, where time slows to a crawl, and where the laws of physics, the very rules that shape our universe, simply give up. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and what lies inside will break your mind. We call it a black hole, but that name doesn't do it justice. It's not a hole. It's not even black. It's a place where space-time collapses under its own weight. A cosmic trap so perfect that not even light, the fastest traveler in the universe, can escape. So what's inside a black hole? Every black hole begins with a death, the collapse of a massive star. When the star's fuel runs out, gravity takes over. The core is crushed by its own weight, atoms are torn apart, and protons and electrons fuse into neutrons. But if the star is heavy enough, even that can't stop the collapse. It keeps falling inward until it vanishes from view, leaving only gravity behind. At that point, the boundary forms, the event horizon. It's not a surface. It's a point of no return. Once you cross it, every direction you move, even the direction you think of as up, leads deeper in. To an outside observer, if you were falling in, your time would appear to slow. Each second you experience stretches longer and longer. From far away, it would look like you're frozen at the edge of the black hole forever, never quite crossing the line. But from your own perspective, nothing special happens. You fall straight in. You don't feel time stopping, but it does for everyone else. Inside, the rules of reality twist. Space and time exchange roles. The closer you get to the center, the more forward in time means inward toward the singularity. You're no longer falling through space, you're falling through time itself. So what's at the center? According to Einstein's general relativity, everything collapses into a singularity, a point of infinite density where the curvature of space-time becomes infinite. Mass, space, and time are crushed into nothing. At that point, our mathematics stops working. It's not just that we don't know what happens there, it's that we can't know. Infinity isn't a number. It's a sign that the universe is hiding something. Some scientists believe that the singularity isn't a physical point at all, but a sign that our theories are incomplete. That quantum gravity, a theory uniting Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics, could reveal what really happens. And this is where the story turns from physics to philosophy, because maybe the inside of a black hole isn't the end of space. It's the beginning of something new. Some theories suggest that black holes could be gateways, bridges through space-time known as wormholes. In this view, what falls into one black hole could emerge somewhere else in the universe, or even in a different universe altogether. On the other side, the black hole's opposite may exist, a white hole, where matter and light can escape but never enter. It's like a cosmic mirror. One side devours everything, the other releases it all back. Other scientists imagine black holes as cosmic seeds, birthing entirely new universes inside them. Every singularity, every collapse, could be the spark of a new Big Bang, a place where space-time restarts, expanding and forming new worlds. If that's true, our own universe might be inside someone else's black hole right now. But there's still one mystery that keeps physicists awake at night: the information paradox. Quantum mechanics says that information, the fundamental details of everything that exists, can never be destroyed. But when something falls into a black hole, it seems to disappear forever. So where does that information go? Stephen Hawking suggested that black holes aren't completely black. They slowly emit faint radiation, now called Hawking radiation, and eventually evaporate over trillions of years. But if a black hole disappears, what happens to everything it swallowed? Does the information get burned away, or somehow encoded in the radiation? Or does it remain imprinted on the surface of the event horizon, like a hologram, storing the entire history of everything that ever fell in? If that's true, then our universe might be a holographic projection, a three-dimensional illusion rising from information painted on the edges of reality. So what's inside a black hole? Maybe the better question is, what's inside our understanding of the universe? Every time we look at a black hole, We see the limits of what we know and the hints of something greater beyond those limits. The black hole is not a monster devouring matter. It's a window into the deepest structure of existence. A reminder that the universe still has secrets it refuses to give up easily. And maybe that's the point. Because the moment we think we've understood everything, the cosmos bends the rules and whispers, "Not yet."